Welcome to 1115 Brown Boulevard. This neat 2-bedroom, 1 full bath duplex with a rear deck and laminate hardwood flooring inside. It's located off of Platte Springs Road in the West Bank area of Lexington, convenient to I-20, I-26, Lake Murray, and Lexington amenities. So we're out front. You have parking off the street here in the driveway to the right of the unit. It is at the right side of a duplex, as you can see. And we're stepping up the front porch. You do have some front deck outside here as well, in addition to the deck out back. So you enter into the property, into the living room, which you can see has the laminate hardwood flooring. You do have a bit of vinyl tile here in the entry, and a ceiling fan, and a few windows looking out towards the front. You also have a nice sized coat closet here in the living room as well. It does go back behind the door framing, a couple feet on both sides. And also you can see there's a pass-through to the kitchen as well. Kitchen also has laminate hardwood flooring, and you have nice wood cabinets with some updated hardware and white appliances in here. So there's a countertop, microwave, electric stove, dishwasher, and then your fridge is recessed on the opposite wall. Nice size kitchen, and it's an open design, and you do have space for a small table in here, as well as the laundry area with full-size washer dryer connections, and there's a shelf above also, even has a window in it, and then some nice detailing here in the glass on the back door. And it does have the sort of built-in blinds in there as well, and also a nice size wood deck off the back of the home, and then access to the sort of shared backyard space that's open back here. Not sure about shed access, so do inquire with the leasing office about the availability or use of that. And then on down the hall, you have a linen closet just here as you start, and then of course right next door is your full bathroom. You have tile flooring, and then some tile around surrounding the shower, tub and shower in here, and then you have a single vanity, some shelving on the wall, and then the open shelving in the linen closet on that side, and then 2 bedrooms at the back, or on the like the far right side of the unit. One is this one on the back end, faces the backyard, and it's the larger of the two. There's a closet down at this end, and you do have some built-in shelving on both sides. And then your second bedroom, and those do both have corner windows on both sides, and also again some additional shelving in the closet. And there are some window units in each room, as it's addition to the living room, but it also does appear to have central air conditioning as well, so you may want to inquire about the status of the window units as well. But that does complete our tour of this property at 1115 Brown Boulevard. You can find more information at turnerproperties.com.